Thanks for joining us tonight. In the last few hours, Minneapolis City Council members called for an audit of the city's police department.
They want to know why there are still no charges in the suspicious death of an Indigenous woman. Allison Lucier was found dead in her North Loop apartment last February. Now, her death has not officially been ruled a homicide, but family and community members say Lucier was the victim of domestic violence, including calling police to report an assault just days before she was found dead. Now, some are raising concerns that police inaction may be contributing to a lack of answers for Lucier's family.
Ian Russell is here with more from today's call for action. Ian?
Allison Lucier's family and friends were clearly emotional as expected today, but even the city council members who were talking about this had difficulty doing so.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Ahead of the Minneapolis City Council meeting,
My name's Jana Williams, and I am Allison Lucier's aunt.
family and friends of Allison Lucier met to grieve and push for change.
Thank you to so many in the community for standing beside our family in the pursuit for justice for Allison. Miigwech.
That push is almost a year in the making. 47-year-old Lucier was found dead in her apartment last February, 12 days after her family says she called police to report being assaulted by her boyfriend. Her family detailed months of alleged domestic violence incidents and say the Minneapolis Police Department failed Lucier.
You know, we need transparency. I need transparency. Our family does. Our Indigenous community needs this transparency.
That transparency could soon be possible.
Allison Lucier's family deserves answers. They deserve this independent review, and they deserve justice.
City council members want to send this case to the city auditor to do an after-action review of the police department's investigation of Lucier's death.
This is now falling upon, if this passes, the city auditor's desk to accept.
And Chair Chavez.
Aye.
And with 12 yeses,
That was approved. It will go on to full council.
that motion passed this afternoon. A push for change now on to the next step, and one Lucier's family hopes will make change happen.
This means a heck of a lot more than Allison. This means every Allison that's coming.
Minneapolis Police Chief Brian O'Hara spoke about an hour and a half ago about this investigation. He says he understands that having this go on for as long as it has made grief worse for those who knew Lucier.
The MPD remains committed to pursuing justice, and we will continue to cooperate fully with our law enforcement and prosecutorial partners to ensure that all appropriate legal avenues are explored.
A spokesperson for the Hennepin County Attorney's Office says developing a chargeable case has been and continues to be their focus since that original case was submitted. Councilmember Jason Chavez tells me the final votes for this request to the city auditor will be on Thursday. Lauren.
All right, Ethan. Ian, thank you. If you or someone you know is in a dangerous situation, help is available. Call Minnesota's crisis hotline at 1-866-223-1111. Trained professionals are standing by 24/7.